semifinal?
It's great. Sobrang proud ko sa naabot ng team namin. Hindi madali. Ang pinagdaanan namin at alam namin hindi magiging madali ang pagdadaanan namin in the future kasi ibang laban na rin ang semifinal. So, we're just going in with a positive mindset.
What sets this national team apart from other national teams that you've been part of through the years?
I think, like what you mentioned, we have a good mix of young players and veterans na sobrang nagbabalance out kung sa isa't isa. It's a really good blend of fire and engine to push it, like I said before. So, yun, tinatry namin na maintain yun hanggang sa dulo and learn from our past games din kasi good training ground talaga yung elimination ground for us. So, hopefully, better results kami going to the next round.
Ano lang magsasabi mo sa second unit mo kasi nagkaroon ka ng chance na makalaro iba't ibang starters ng past 2 games?
Well, the bench is pretty deep. So, kahit sino sa amin ready pumasok, ready mag-deliver, kahit si Julia Coronel sa center. So, it's good for us kasi at least we're a bit more unpredictable para sa kalaban.
Initial thoughts mo lang against Kazakhstan sa series?
Kazakhstan is a very strong team, very tall also. So, medyo nakaranas naman kami ng matangkad at malakas na teams in our bracket. And ina-expect namin bukas sa training na yun yung paghahandaan talaga namin with Coach George.
Ano yung reaction na nakakulos kayo sa Vietnam sa series?
Well, kami naman yung goal talaga namin is to just get it one game at a time. Wala kami iniiwasan, wala kami kasi kahit sino naman makalaban namin, magiging ibang klase na challenge for us. So yeah, so ngayon Kazakhstan.
Thank you, Gia.
Thank you, Gia.
Congrats. Good.
Sabi ko nga kanina na nandito na kami, so hindi na kami titigil na gumawa ng history para sa Philippine volleyball.
Gaano ka naka-comfortable so far playing with the team after itong group stage?
Comfortable, syempre, I think, maiksi pa lang kasi yung time na nagkasama-sama kami, pero pag dumating yung time na mas mahaba na yung time na nagkaroon na kami ng bonding, ng gelling, of course, mas mabubuo yung teamwork pa namin, yung nakikita nyo ngayon, I think mas mahihigitan pa namin to.
Gaano kahalaga ng team?
Sa series, Kazakhstan na initial thoughts na.
Balik lang ulit kami sa training. Ano lang yung sabi ni Coach Jorge, ng mga coaches namin, ano lang sabihin nila, nasa-stick lang kami sa system na ibibigay nila. Try namin i-apply kung ano man yung mga napag-usapan namin. I think lahat naman kasi nakaplano kahit ngayon, like sila si Angel, si Filipino girls, para din hindi masunod. And knowing naman yung team naman namin is kaya naman yung contribute namin, wala naman kami sa isa-isa. Thank you po!
Pagdating sa series, sa experience Kazakhstan team, gano'n lang mag-iiba yung mindset mo for that?
Of course, we have to accept every challenge na dumarating and we're going to face Kazakhstan tomorrow with every effort that we can do and every effort and every yung kaya namin teamwork with each other kasi gagawin namin yung mindset for tomorrow.
Matanong lang din about yung last night, yung last point, ikaw yung winning point. Last parang sinignal ka pa ni about it. Can you talk about lang yung parang support na binibigay niya?
It is definitely a one-time experience na nakasama ko si Ate Gia inside the court and her calling me was a very malaking bagay for me kasi talagang pinakita may tiwala siya sa akin and if may tiwala siya sa akin, syempre ako din dapat magtiwala sa sarili ko.
How would you assess your confidence at this point playing for us?
Well, talagang boost ako because of my teammates, my coaches, and of course all the supporters here. Talagang malaking bagay for me and I'm actually very enlightened to play for tomorrow.
Thank you, Faith.
Thank you, Faith. Congrats!
Since joining the national team back in 2017, ito naman talaga yung goal. And sobrang masaya ako na ngayon nandito na kami and malapit na yung malapit na namin ma-achieve yung pinapangarap namin.
Sa lahat ng national team na nalamaan mo, gaano ka-special itong batch na to?
Sobrang special every batch, pero ito feeling ko sobrang sarap lang maglaro ng volleyball. Kasi natutuwa ako sa mga bata
mapadali lang yung trabaho namin.
Gaano ka-importante na nakakalaban na kayo ng malalaking team para heading to semis Kazakhstan hindi na gaano mabibigla?
Siguro sa lahat ng mga nakalaban na namin, it's gaining experience for the team and syempre yung confidence sa bawat isa na ma-instill na kaya namin yung mga kalaban.
Thoughts lang on the Philippine team making the ABC semis for the first time?
Yun nga, sobrang happy kami lahat na part kami ng history na to. And syempre, this is also preparation na it's something that we're gonna leave the future generations.
Connection will be more stronger and they will deliver really, and I think they can be the champion really here in ABC.
Gano'n ka lang ma-proud mo sa pagkakat natin sa World Rapids?
Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi before parang we're trying to go up and we're trying to qualify in other leagues, but this time we can see the improvement and how our girls really, they're working hard to win every game. So nakaka-proud and nakakatawa ng puso din na makita lahat ng tao dito sa arena sinusuportahan nila, and I think that's one of the reason also na nag-deliver and nagpe-perform ng maayos yung Alas Pilipinas.
Kaya gano'n ka lang ka-interest doon sa parang chemistry doon, parang matagal na pinagsamahan na pero bago sa... Gano'n ka-interest doon sa chemistry doon, parang matagal na pinagsamahan na pero basket lang yun.
Actually, I don't know how to react in their chemistry right now. Katulad nga sabi ko kanina, in a short of time, their connection is really strong immediately, and I think one of the reason also they engage the team as well. And I think that's one of the good thing now na meron nag-lead sa kanila sa loob ng court and they follow.
Jaja, as a former member, ano lang yung wish mo sa national team program?
Of course, ang wish ko is not this team will continue hanggang we really have a big potential na eventually will be in PNL or Olympics, and with this kind of lineup, I think we can get that team. This is the youngest player sa team, and kahit bata, makikita like kanino, Angel, kahit sabihin natin this is her first time and Gagate, their first time to play in the national team, you can see their willingness and like deliver really well sa game.
Thank you.